Well, actually, I hear those are the bones of the little kids that the Snooble Goobles have eaten. That's what I heard. Monkey bones? Are you sure they're not little kids?
I'm sure. Oh, there's a big skeleton bone.
It is, isn't it? Smells like little kids.
It's not a little kid.
No, it's not. Are you going to keep going, or what are we doing?
It's a big bone.
Are we going to keep going, or what are we doing?
It's a big skeleton. It's a big skeleton. Bug. That's a skeleton bug.
Skeleton bug?
Yeah. You gotta be real careful. What's that thing?
No, it says rest in peace. Must have been where another little boy was buried.
Hey.
Oh.
I think it's that.
Uncle Dom did good, huh, bro? Think so? Yeah, oh.
Another one.
Another one?
Do
you see Nathan? He's crying.
This is your
Hey, come on.
I gave you a gun.
Oh, I got my own gun?
No, lock it up.
Okay. Come on.
Cock it right here.
You cocked it for me.
Dad, this Snooble Gooble. Shoot him.
No, look. Look over here. Look what they see. What do they see? What do they see?
There's a face. Hey, yes.
I'm waiting for him so we don't know. I'm just giving him
It's a white face.
What is that?
That's a lot of fish. Oh, it's scared me.
What is it?
I think it's Snooble Gooble. Shoot him!
Hard to get the right idea. Get something to shoot with. That's what you got to do.
We'll shoot Snooble Gooble.
Shoot him. See, Nathan?
You first.
No, you first. There you go.
That's a good idea.
That says when the big guy was dead.
Oh, that's where the big kid's dead?
Yeah.
Yeah, you better be careful.
Is that blanket up there?
Come here, take a look. Watch. Come here.
What? Is that where a little kid was buried?
You gotta pick that because you're in hibernation. No, they're gonna scare you.
They'll wake it up. They'll wake up, Mandy.
They'll wake up.
Mandy, they'll wake up. Then they'll get us. We'll be in big trouble.
They'll be chasing us.
Who said that?
Nobody's
Who said that?
They are invisible. They have invisible.